This gorgeous building was the first project on our land. It seemed impossible at the time, but turned out to be absolutely fantastic. While we waited for the building permissions to come through, our neighbour decided he needed a new roof. Not wanting to deal with the disposal costs, he sold us the wood for the going firewood raid. When I saw the huge piles, I really thought we made a mistake, but Ken was sure that it would work out fine. It took us, with the help of a friend, 3 weeks to sort it through and get all the nails out. Various people gave us a ton of tools, and together with our own, they needed a safe and dry place. From there, we could go on.